over and you show me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you.
Ready?
You ready? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa and this is the Morgan's Legacy. Okay, so today we'll be doing a refrigerator tour, and before we do that, let's do some business first. So hop on over to Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Vanessa Williams Morgan, or you can just type in _dreaminggoal_ and follow my business page at 876 Unique Boutique, and also _a_champion_ for all your customized t-shirts, cups and more. Okay, let's dive right into our video. Okay, so we're gonna start on this side. Reason for this video is because I live on Pinterest, live, and I've always seen organization videos over there, and I was like, okay, I want to try it, but I'm gonna do it how it is suitable for me, right? I'm a mother of two, and it's two boys, so you know, basically it means I can never have anything nice, and I just want to have something. Okay, all right. So when I was thinking about doing this video, what I looked for was, in everything that you're buying as a parent, you need to three things that you check for. You don't look at things and say, oh, this is so cute, I can have that. No, first you look for functionality. Is it functional? Will these little human beings be able to manipulate it? And then two, will it be able to withstand them, because they are little destroyers, so you need something that is firm. So first, functional, second, durable, and then cute. All right, so let's dive right into my fridge door. Super excited about this subject, by the way. Super excited, super excited. Okay, so we're gonna start with the door and then work our way in. So up here we have dairy products. Okay, so we have like our really great yogurt. We have both the one in the jar / canister, and also this one that this is the good to grow one. It really likes it. It is like yogurt. That's the fridge telling me it's been open too long, but ignore that. Okay, so this is it's like a smoothie in a jar made with fruits and a little yogurt. Really nice, really good for kids. Then I have my singles cheese. Okay, this is my singles cheese. This is really good for sandwiches. I use it to make wraps, and yeah, totally delicious. Love it. This American Finest, that's the brand that is in it right now. I also use Tasty's brand, of course. I'm Jamaican. Alright, so in this shelf, unfortunately I have a medical section in my fridge. Hopefully you don't need one ever. Prayers for all your children, for health and good health and long life. Alright, so this I have a little medical section on my fridge door. It have basically all the little things that I need, okay, for my kids, that is. And then over on this side, what I did was that I put my son sippy cup, the sippy with the little duckies on the door, and then I have my elder son, his water bottle for him to take to school or whatever, and then for the little one, this is his water bottle also. Pedialyte, Pepto-Bismol, you know, the whole works. Okay, on my third shelf, this is my condiment / little bit of everything shelf. Okay, so I have eggs, I have sesame seed, I have a big jar of pickles, and then I have my favorite spinach dip. Wonderful, awesome, love it. You know, when we go to the KFC, we can't afford to throw away ketchup. So I store my little ketchup packets. If you can just take them out and use it or whatever. Don't throw your ketchup then. Just don't throw them away. Save them. Or give them to me. I'll keep them for you. I have McCall's lime juice, barbecue sauce. My son said that we are now ketchup in fridge per people. So here we are. Carl's ketchup in the fridge. Mustard and ranch. Then on the final shelf down here, I don't buy bottled water, okay people? Put the camera back up to my face, else than let the people see this greatness. I'm not gonna buy bottled water ever, okay? It's expensive and unnecessary. Now what I'm going to do is, you can put it back down. This is good old tap. A joke. It's not tap water, it's filtered water. So we buy alkaline water. You can get it, most places do it now. So you go to the store, you get the 5-gallon bottle refill with your alkaline water, and that's what we drink. So this is my alkaline water section, and this is a little bit of aloe vera. This is peanut. Wait, I can't tell song did go again. Make up your are you buck up in now? Yeah, this is the peanut for that. Put it in a little baggies, because as you know, peanut is an allergy, so you put it separate from everything else. So I'm gonna put it right over here. Okay, so welcome to the main event. So this is like my baby, my third child. I name her Priscilla. She's my third child, okay? My husband and my elder son, Hajani, them never understand the mission when it comes to this, okay? But when we started, Ajani is like, yes mommy, me see vision, and start helping. But my husband think this is a waste of time, alright? Until when he starts to organize the fridge look, he starts saying, I think it's functional, I think it's easy, I think I can see everything that is in there. Well, yes, so this is the only reason why I wanted to do this, is that in order for you to not have things spoil in your fridge, it is good to be able to see everything that's in your fridge. So I bought these little bin. They are called fridge bins. They are on Amazon. I'm gonna link where I bought mine in the description. You can go ahead and click the description and you can buy it right there, okay? So these are called fridge bins, and what I do is that I bought different sizes and I put different things in there. Come on up. So as you can see, this is I use this one for Ace juices. So I have the different type of juices. I'm like Cool Kids. I have the Cool Kids right here, and of course I have some Capri Sun, and I think I have tropical redeem around here too. So I just put them in the fridge bin. It allows, as I said, for functionality. It's easy, it's cute, and it's there. These bins are also stackable, so if you had something that you would probably lay flat, you can actually put one on top of the other, and you know, looks great. And you can just grab, put it in a lunch kit and go. Over here I have, these are all naturally made juices. As if you're a long time member of our channel, you would be aware that my son Rajay is in remission. Yay! But we continue to eat healthy, we continue to do the good things then. So this is one of the things that we do, is that we only eat natural things as best as possible. This is coconut water, right? So the jelly is still in it. So this is coconut water, natural coconut water. Just buy the jelly, cut it out, put it in the bottle. These bottles are also on Amazon. You can also purchase them on Amazon. They are in my description. The link is there. So what I do is that I buy the jelly, cut it out, pour it in the bottle, put little jelly in it also. You know, jelly nice. This is, I have both beetroot and berries in this one. Beetroot and berries, and they are only sweetened with non-sugar. So I use honey to sweeten it. You can also use agave. So I have this one. So I've made enough to last him for the entire week. This is green juice. This is cucumber, kale, and callaloo. Cucumber, kale, and callaloo, right? and a little special ginger, of course. Okay, so you see all this nice and green and ooh, so lovely. All right, so as I said, I'm making enough to last for the entire week. So what I do is that one day you just blend up everything, separate them into the individual bottles, so you have enough to last him for the week. On this section now is also Ace, because section Ace does not eat food, no food. So what happened is that I buy Pediasure to give to him. That's his meal, and I've tried, nothing else works, so I'm just gonna stick to what works. Okay, I also have soy fresh around here because we don't drink milk, so we do the soy fresh. This is a chocolate one. As I said, the fridge bins make things so much easier, and you can just put it in, you can dry it out, you know, and functional, easy, durable, and cute. Okay, so move to the second shelf. Now on this shelf we have the things for the good things, good people them, right? So we have a little wine. My husband don't share married them, so we are no wine drinker, but yes, we buy it in case strangers come, people who actually drink wine. All right, so I have a little bun rack and in a little wine rack. Again, that can be found on Amazon, link in the description. So I buy my little bun rack, put it in here to chill. So if you come to my house and you drink wine, you can get wine. If you come to my house and you are like us, sorrel beer drinkers, we got sorrel beer. So we buy the sorrel beer. I did not have any container, any more of the fridge bins to actually put the sorrel beer in, so I decided to just stack them just evenly across from my bread and wraps. So this is my sun-dried tomato wraps. I use this to make sandwiches, wraps to carry to work. Raji also eats it, but he does not like this one. I have this. I normally buy the spinach one also, and of course I have my little bagels. This is the cinnamon one, really nice, love it. Can't get enough of them. But I mostly buy it for Reggie, but you know, me I go eat some too. Okay, on the third shelf we have fruits and butters. Again, different size bin. This is a smaller one, it's just like the ones that I have for the juice, and then this is a bigger one. All right, so I have the fruits over here. Look a little empty, but don't worry yourself for that. And then over here we have the different types of butter. We have both peanut butter, chiffon butter, and of course we have Miss Gold. What is that? Gold Seal. She Miss Gold Seal. But my absolute favorite of all the butters is, and if you look at your about this, I'm busting up on the plug here, right? Come back and say Vanessa tell you about it. So this is the garlic spread. It's Italian Rose, that's the brand. This is everything, everything. So my son, he must have to give him credit because when I want him to come watch the video or disrespect me, so I never give him credit. So it was his idea to actually put the bread in the air fryer with some garlic butter, try it, and then tell me
For 5 minutes.
then tell me what you think about it. Believe you me, yeah, I'm gonna love it, love it, love it, love it. So we have a really big tub, and as it done, we buy back a next one. And it's made with a lot of, you know, good things. You can go ahead and look at it for yourself. Alright? Okay. And then final shelf down here, this is actually our leftover shelf. So, you know, you cook your little Sunday dinner, you left some for Monday, you put it in a little container and you put it down here. This is our leftover shelf, but we also have other things stuck on the shelf. So we have good old bammy, the bams, put with the crackers and the steamed fish, or you can just make it with a callaloo and ting. Yes, so we have the bams. Everybody knows say I can't saltfish after my national dish, not just Jamaica, by the saltfish. The one thing that I love more than anything else is good old rundown, even though I can't make it myself. My mother does make it for me. This is the rainforest pickled mackerel. Love it. Love how them pass it. Another little cute thing here. Big up on yourself, rainforest, for this. Yeah. So I put those little things in this little section right here, which is the leftover section. Okay, come in now, sir. This is by far my favorite section of all the sections. Okay, get ready for this. Yay! All right, so come on, zoom on in. So this here now is, you see them little bag here, you see them nice and cute, you see all them just, yes, I love this. All right, so I bought these little bags because I wanted something to put my vegetables in to make them last longer. Things hard, and you know, if you got maple or you got toner, you get the cheap vegetables, then you want to ensure them last long. So I bought these little bags because they are refrigerator safe. Ooh, turn off that radio. Refrigerator safe, and the fact that they will keep your vegetables fresher longer. Okay, so in this one I have garlic, and if you look down in the fridge, you'll see how neatly they are each stacked. So I have garlic in another one here. I have some key lime. We just call it lime at Jamaica. With some lime in another one here. They have different sizes also, so you know you can put different things. This is vegetables already cut up, so you can just come home one evening ready for the pot, right? This is callaloo, and again we have a next big bag of cabbage and pop choy row, another section here. On this side I have sweet pepper, purple cabbage for your Sunday dinner. This is a ginger, and I have carrot further on in the jar. So you see, oh, everything just neatly stacked. But what I love about these bags is that they can stand, right? They can actually stand up by themselves. Look on that. Yeah, neat, love it. They're reusable, just wash and reuse. Yeah, so that's like my favorite little jar. Love it. I'm definitely gonna get more bags to put more stuff in. Then we have on the final shelf, all the way down here, lettuce, string bean, cabbage, Miss Pumpkin Shea, and some plantain. These are all in this fruit and vegetable basket. I don't have any bags big enough to put them in, but they're good down there until them cut up and put in the bags. All right, so that's it for this side. So we're going over to Miss Freezer Shea. Let me see your face.
Okay, Miss Priscilla.
1, 2, 3. Ooh, the freezer. Okay. All right, not much no over here, so to say. But on this side, on the door, we have our and the dandy, no sugar added, with this Breyers ice cream, right? For the Sunday evening scoopings, okay? So this is a healthy alternatives. And then, as you can see, as I said, not much over here, so to say. Then we have top shelf vegetables mix. This has broccoli, cauliflower, and carrot, and then this is just a regular mixed veg with string bean and green peas and sweet corn. Then we have sweet corn by itself. On this shelf I have right around the corner there, so I have some elderberry at the front. I have this name again, the berry blend. So they have a variety of different ones. They have, like, you can get straight strawberry, you can get straight pineapple, whatever you want. You can get a straight one, but I want a mixed one packed with antioxidant and full of vitamin C and thing. So I buy the frozen berry from my supermarket. JP Foods understand the assignment, and them come out strong with this breadfruit tostones, and it's everything. Okay, if you like breadfruit press or press planting, yes, so St. Mary banana chips, as I say, they come out strong for that one year, and I love them. Whenever I see it, I have to buy it, because you just take out a couple little pieces and fry and go. You can put it in your oven fryer, eat that. Gluten free, ready in minutes. Love it. This shelf now have some little leftover stuff, right? Again, over this side I have some of the fridge bins, the larger ones. I have some little stuff leave over right here. So I have some wings, breaded chicken breasts, fries, regular Irish fries. What do you call it? Irish fries, did I call it? Regular fries? Or French fries? Whatever. And then over here, so we have sweet potato fries, right? So leftover things in this section. Then you know, so we're Jamaican, even though the fridge make its own ice, I have my little old time syrup jug. I'm gonna put ice in it. Don't judge me. But I gonna say we can't chat because I'm telling you first, but yeah. Alright. This shelf now we have burgers and suchins, right? I'm gonna go down for my knee for that one here. Alright, so these are fish burgers, fish patties. This is the vegan meatballs, meat in quotation. And then this is chickpea burger. And then we have Miss Regular Jam and Cheese regular burger for people who eat beef. Yeah, and then we have, this is the fish tenders. So this little section have every little thing for a quick sandwich, right? Yes. Yeah, so in this drawer, oh, you must wonder what a yellow jug here. You know, say we have to make a little juice them. Probably make a little sugar and water, little tongue, little quench it. Yeah. You put it in the fridge, in the jug, and you slide the jug in. Yeah, slide it way in so you don't upset the cuteness, right? Alright, so and this in this drawer I actually separate allergens, as I've said many times. So shrimp is one of the major allergens and we're afraid of this. So I actually put it in a drawer by itself, right? So this is the jumbo peeled shrimp and it's in a drawer by Lonesome Self. Okay, final drawer is the bottom drawer right here. We have some best just chicken, the best chicken to buy. Alrighty, well that is it for our refrigerator tour. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, go ahead and hit me with a thumbs up, and if you did not and you think it needed more work, comment down in the comment section and you can click the dislike. Me not feel that way. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, ensure you subscribe, and if you're not new, check if you're subscribed and go ahead and do so right now. Again, until next time, walk good, stay blessed, bye.